Hello, this is Andrew Stibbards. I am a route switch wireless cybersecurity instructor here at Sunset Learning Institute, and I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to the ENSDW, the Software Defined Wide Area Network course. The SD-WAN solution from Cisco is a simple, secure method of connecting and managing numerous sites. And I want to just talk a little bit about the training that we currently have around that. Within the ENSDW course, it's 2 days of lectures and labs, and I do want to stress that we do have a lot of lab time. It's about 50-50, a lot of labs covering the zero-touch provisioning, the ability to turn up sites without managing every aspect individually, the template-based configuration, the policy control, application awareness and routing within the environment, also monitoring, verifying the secure connectivity. We do have lecture and labs covering all of those topics. Who might be interested in this training would be the actual implementers, the designers of a network, systems network engineers. We're going to be going over the management tools that are involved in day-to-day operations. So folks who are actually deploying sites, actually monitoring, responding to trouble tickets, they might be interested in getting more exposure to the controls and some of the options there. Just big idea, why should you take this training? I'm not a salesperson. I get no commission. I actually think this is a good idea. This is one of the relatively simplest and easiest solutions for tying sites together. And as a fan of security, seeing the end-to-end encryption, providing that security around the connection between the sites, this is a pretty good idea when you've got 200 or 20, only 5 locations that you need to tie together, but you need to have the guarantee that there is a consistency in the security policies, a consistency in how application traffic is treated. This is a very good tool for top-down visibility and management into that. Hope this has sparked your interest, and we'll see you in class.